Did you know that if you had enough baked beans, you could potentially fart your way to space? No, seriously. Buckle up, folks. It's time to dive into the hilariously bizarre world of human gas propulsion. Picture this. You're at a dinner party and your friend's 5-year-old nephew asks you, "Can farts propel you into space?" You chuckle, pat his head, and say, "No, kiddo, that's not how it works." But deep down you're wondering, could it? Let's revisit our primary school science classes. Remember Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So technically, if you could produce enough gas and release it with enough force, you could theoretically propel yourself into the air, or space if you're ambitious. But let's get real. The average human fart, while impressive in its own right, is nowhere near powerful enough to launch you off the ground, let alone into the stratosphere. You'd need a fart with the force of about 2.5 space shuttle launches to even get you off the ground. That's a lot of baked beans. And even if you could produce a fart of such monumental proportions, you'd run into a few other problems. For starters, you'd probably blow your pants off, and let's not even get started on the potential for catastrophic digestive issues. But let's not get discouraged. If the history of humanity has taught us anything, it's that we're incredibly resourceful when it comes to achieving our dreams, no matter how absurd they may seem. Who knows, maybe one day, we'll discover a way to harness the power of flatulence for space travel. Until then, keep dreaming and keep eating those beans. To summarize, no, you can't fart at your way to space, but it's a hilarious concept to ponder, and it's a testament to the boundless creativity and curiosity of the human mind. So the next time you're at a dinner party and someone's 5-year-old nephew asks you a seemingly ridiculous question, don't dismiss it. Who knows? It might just spark a conversation that's out of this world.